Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Umidigi X, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type iOS launcher. We are going to get this application from Routine Developer, so let's install. Right now we can open. Accept permissions, then click on the home button. Switch to iOS Launcher 14 and click Always. Then tap that we got it. And as you can see right now, where we are with this launcher. We can also edit widgets at this screen. It will appear after a few moments. And if you want to customize other things, just feel free, enter for the application for this one and then just change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!